So I have the petals made and ready. I have the center here, and then the stamens colored and ready, and so we could just start taping them together. And in the petals I have all the 6 smaller ones here and then all the bigger ones there. I will start with picking up the smaller ones and then tape it around the center once I've made the center, and then all the bigger ones would come. So I'm just going to put the petals aside, and then I'm just going to have the center with me. Get to the bottom and tape it, stay there, and I'm just going to pick it up and just make sure it's just fanned out well. And now here I need to check the height, but I can't be keeping like extremely tall. Just check the height, and that much should be fine, and tape this around well. Stay in the same height, the tape height, just maintain it there. I'm just bending this also, so I'm just able to place it well as I tape. Make sure the height is the same. Taped it well, and then the third part. Just check for the height only. So the entire stretch we're just going to stay there in one place. You're not going to get the tape down. So now I'm just going to start adding the petals. Now we just need to bend the wire, and that is how it will go. So the position I just want to add, I want to check on the sides the height. Okay, so that sounds good. I'm going to tape it close to the wire of the petal. Okay, and I have 6. I'm just going to tape them all, keeping one next to the other. Overlapping would be there. So just wanted to show it's like as close to the base and with a little bit of overlap to the previous petal. Bending each of them before placing, and final one also I'm just making sure I'm tucking it well, so this petal is below the previous one and it gets above the first petal that was added. Stabbing it through in properly. I'm making sure I'm just tightening it up, and the wire is not exposed at all at the bottom. Okay, so that is important to keep the petals in place. And now I'm just moving on to the bigger petal, bending it quite well. Just going to start adding, no gap at the back. Just push it all the way up to the top, and where exactly the wire is bent, and tape it around. One full round for each petal. Go with the overlapping, it's a bigger sized petal. So you will have space with overlap for 6 petals. Tape it close. Make sure you're just pushing it with pressure as you just take it up. So the petals will be tight and they will be close to the first layer as well. Two more to go. This is the fourth one. So the last one comes here. I'm just going down like a few rounds just to secure, tightening it up. And once I know all the petals are good and secured, and I'm just going to tape it down. To tape it down, just holding this tape at an angle and then covering up all the wires as I tape down. So it's all put together, and there you have a beautiful anemone made. And you guys will make 3 of these just to get the hang of it and have the practice. And here you just move on because it is wired. You could go around and then just adjust the petals. You could also bend the wire. This kind of give the movement. You could pull it back and see certain petals, like 1 or 2 you could just keep it a little open, and then some of it you could just keep it closed, and each of them with their own different shape. It looks pretty much natural. And we have completed making the wafer paper anemone, and I will catch you up in the next lesson.